This is 5 on your side at 5, focused on you.
Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner did nothing wrong. Stand with her. We support her.
Today, a show of support for St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner following a legal petition to remove her from office. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Kelly Jackson.
And I'm Mike Bush. Gardner has been under fire since 17-year-old Janae Edmondson lost her legs in a crash on February 18th in downtown St. Louis. The driver, Daniel Riley, was never fully prosecuted for a separate crime that happened in 2020. 5 on your side's Mercedes McKay joins us live from the Carnahan Courthouse with more on Gardner's fight to stay in office. Mercedes.
Mike and Kelly, the rally today comes as others are trying to replace her. Just last week, Missouri Attorney General Andrew Bailey started the legal process to remove Gardner from office, while other lawmakers are pushing for a special prosecutor to be appointed. Despite all this heat, today, Gardner supporters say she did nothing wrong.
Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner has not, that's what I emphasize, has not lost the trust of the community.
On the steps of Carnahan Courthouse Tuesday morning, supporters of St. Louis Circuit Attorney Kim Gardner gathered to share one main message.
Kim Gardner is innocent. Yes, she is. She does not have the power or the authority to revoke or change anybody's bond.
The group, made up of members of the Community Justice Coalition, are calling on Judge Brian Hettenbach to step down. They say he's the one responsible for 17-year-old Janae Edmondson losing her legs. The group claimed the judge refused multiple times to revoke bond for the suspect in this case, Daniel Riley, despite dozens of violations.
He is a danger to the residents of the city of St. Louis.
Critics of Gardner say the prosecutor's office is responsible, not the judge, and they are pushing forward to remove her. Representative Justin Sparks is a co-sponsor of House Bill 301. Part of this bill includes giving the governor power to appoint a special prosecutor for the city of St. Louis.
We as a legislature agreed that what was going on in terms of violent crime in the city of St. Louis had become an issue that now was affecting the entire state.
Representative Sparks says through their research, it became apparent that the circuit attorney's office needed help. He says this was one of several different ways of trying to do that.
We want people to be able to come and enjoy our city and interact with our citizens and know what an amazing place St. Louis really is. And that never gets talked about anymore. Frankly, it's high time we do something about it.
House Bill 301 has passed on the floor, and yesterday there was a Senate hearing for this bill, and it actually ran long because of the amount of people that were weighing in on this issue. If this bill passes in the Senate, we could see it on Governor Parson's desk in the next couple of weeks. Now, coming up at 6, I'll share where the Attorney General's case stands. Live in downtown St. Louis, Mercedes McKay, 5 on your side.
And support continues to come in for Janae Edmondson tonight. She's had several surgeries and a steel rod is holding her pelvis together. Her GoFundMe has raised more than $630,000. The goal is $900,000. To donate to the GoFundMe, just text the word support to 314-425-5355.